Ron, come up here, please, and to award Dustin.
Welcome po, Direk Ron. Sige po, pasok po kayo.
Good evening, Miss Rosel. Good evening, Dustin.
Oh, that's awards.
I'm Direk Rom. I'm a movie director and host, and I'm the president of Gawa Dangal Filipino Award. We have a surprise for you. We conducted a survey, a poll for 3 months, and you garnered 3.7 million votes. So you won the Best Male Celebrity of the Year. And we have another one. For among all your kasabayan, you also won. This is the top most award. Okay? Hall of Fame, most popular, Best Celebrity of the Year. Where are the chitties? How about the solids? Sila ang nagpapanalo sa inyo. And another category is the Best Love Team of the Year. And it goes to Das Bia. And who do you think won the best fans club in the country? Das Bia Fans Club. Any representative from the fans club?
Andrea? Andrea Rao, are you here? Ayan na.
And it's also Das Bia who won Star Icon Award for Best Fans Club of the Philippines. Hinakot mo, Justin? Dustin, hinakot mo. Madam Rosel, what can you say?
Of course, I'm very, very proud of you, Dustin. At lahat ng mga tao nagmamahal sa inyo dito, kung wala, magpasalamat tayo sa kanila dahil sa support nila sa inyo.
Okay, here's our representative from Das Bia to receive the award for Best Fan Club of the Year. Congratulations, Dustin! Ano bang masasabi mo after receiving all these accolades? Go ahead. Nahirapan siya sa sobrang dami. Oo nga naman.
Grabe, una sa lahat hindi ito magiging posible kung wala kayo. Grabe yung support niyo sa akin, alam ko yan. Salamat, alam kong may times na napapagod din kayo. Alam ko hindi madali, alam ko hindi madali, pero grabe yung pagmamahal niya sa akin. To be honest, kung wala kayo, hindi ko lang rin alam kung paano. Pero since nandyan kayo, napapasaya niyo ako. Tulad ngayon, ang dami nating awards na nakuha. At maraming salamat. Itong nangyari ngayon ay hindi ko makakalimutan to. Kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na sabihin na natin, huwag naman sana, pero hindi natin alam kung saan tayo dadalhin ng panahon. Pero ako ngayon, super grateful ako for you guys. And salamat sa mga awards. Salamat sa pagpanalo sa amin ni Bianca. Wala siya ngayon, alam ko. Pero for sure, pag nandito siya, sobrang laki rin ang pasasalamat ko sa inyo. At sobrang na-appreciate na kayong lahat. Mahal na mahal niya kayo, sigurado ko dyan. At yeah, sana